Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to go over the preview window in your ChatHQ portal when you are building out your conversion tools. So to get to this, we're going to go over to engagement, click on conversion tools, and then you're going to see all of the conversion tools that you have built out in your engagement widget. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to see the preview window. So in this view specifically, you're going to see a preview of all of your different conversion tools that you've added. So to view these, you're going to click on one of your conversion tools. And then when this opens up, you can see the tool view. So here we have our review section. So you can see all of your reviews, what this looks like. So as you're customizing your conversion tools over here on the left, you can preview on the right. So here you can see main view and tool view. So if we click over here to main view, again, you're going to see the list of all of your conversion tools that you have added. And then when you click on tool view, this is going to show the tool that you have opened. So if we go back out of the reviews, so let's do contact our team. So here you can see all of the customizations that we have configured for that conversion tool. And then here you can see the tool view. So again, as you're editing your conversion tool, you're going to see that update in your preview window. And then again, you can see both main view and tool view. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.